It's the tank dude. I really fixed the flappers. They broke the tank because there's something wrong with the flapper. That's why. Let's go. Alright, it's done filling up. Here we go. Seriously, this is why they break the tanker. With that stupid flapper. This is why I hate these. Yeah, I feel there's something wrong with the flapper. Let's see the water line. It's gonna mark right here. See it? Yeah, it's where the water. That's where it marks. That's where the water line. I'm gonna stop that. So I'm not gonna worry about it. So there. Now I can put the tank lid back on. Well, half of it broke. Look at that. The other pieces right there. Right. Let's put the tank lid back on. Alright, let's do this. There. Yeah, it's back in place.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words. Slurring on my